Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn double ending sound words. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe it. And if you are like the video, then please like it. So let's start the video now. B-A-L-L, ball. B-A-double-L, ball. C-A-double-L, call. F-A-double-L, fall. H-A-double-L, hall. T-A-double-L, tall. W-A-double-L, wall. M-A-double-L, mall. S-T-A-double-L, stall. S-M-A-double-L, small. B-E-double-L, bell. F-E-double-L, fell. S-E-double-L, sell. T-E-double-L, tell. W-E-double-L, well. Y-E-double-L, yell. C-E-double-L, sell. H-E-double-L, hell. S-H-E-double-L, shell. S-M-E-double-L, smell. S-P-E-double-L, spell. B-I-double-L, bill. F-I-double-L, fill. H-I-double-L, hill. M-I-double-L, mill. P-I-double-L, pill. T-I-double-L, till. W-I-double-L, will. K-I-double-L, kill. F-R-I-double-L, frill. S-T-I-double-L, still. G-R-I-double-L, grill. C-H-I-double-L, chill. D-O-double-L, doll. L-O-L-L, lol. M-O-L-L, mall. P-O-double-L, pole. R-O-double-L, roll. T-O-double-L, toll. B-U-double-L, bull. C-U-double-L, cull. D-U-double-L, dull. F-U-double-L, full. N-U-double-L, null. P-U-double-L, pull. G-U-double-L, gull. S-K-U-double-L, skull. So these all are the double ending sound words. Hope you have liked the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.